So guys, I made over $16,000 in the last 21 days using Upwork. And in this video, I'm going to break down literally every single thing that I did. I'm going to show you the full report, how much I spent, what I did to even make this happen. And I'm also going to be giving you some free resources at the end so that you can just do this for yourself. But currently, if I just quickly show you, we currently have $3,900 dollars worth of work that I'm currently working on. We have 600 in review, which will then mean another 600 will be here. So, 4,500-ish or whatever. Another 1,500 or so pending, and around $2,230 available to be released, which is awesome. And a bunch of deals in the pipeline. I'm expecting like a few $1,500 deals coming today. We've also got 817 impressions and 81 clicks in the last 30 days, but less than 30 days, about 21, 25 days or so. And we've had 77 invites. That's about 3-4 invitations a day, completely inbound. So let's get straight into it. Again, my total investment over the last 21 days has been $406. I have gross revenue of $15,600. with a net profit of $12,942 because of Upwork's fees, which are around anywhere from 10 to 15%. So my return on investment on spend was around $3,735. For you layman's out there, that's around 37x, I think, on my money, which is pretty cool. But actually net was about 30x on my money. We had 8 clients close, average deal of 1,840. So for everybody saying that Upwork's full of low-paying clients, the average deal that I was getting was 1,840, and there were some even big clients in there, like $9,000 deals. And I have pipeline value right now of about 14,000 that hopefully will get closed up over the next few days. So let's get into it. So the total I invested, like I said, was $406. This was used for, Upwork Connects, Upwork membership, availability badge and so on, right? We also grossed 15,000, like I mentioned. And basically, to put it simply, in a simple term, for every $1 I was spending, I was getting about $30 to $38 back in connects. One of the biggest things that I hear about Upwork is that Upwork is expensive. And Upwork has low-paying clients. But the thing is, the cost of connects is just so small and menial in regards to how much you can actually make on the platform. It's almost impossible, in my opinion, to spend any amount of money on connects and lose money. It's very difficult, especially if you know what you're doing and you have a good strategy. So this was the revenue over the past 21 days. We had a $9,000 client, a $2,400 per month client. So that's just reoccurring. This one's also reoccurring, but it's the deal will continue once we finish this $9,000 deal. There's a $1,500 client, another $1,200 client, 800, 500, 150, and 50. These 150 and 50, they were just test projects. And I probably spent like a few hours on this max. I actually just did the work myself. And yeah, it was easy. So that's the total. Now the client mix, as you can see here, about 57% of it was around 5 to 10K. So 57% of this 15,000 came from bigger deals, some small, and then the rest came from like medium to big fish deals. And you can kind of see a breakdown of it here. My goal over the next 21-day challenge, which I'm starting from today on the 1st of December, is to increase the overall amount that I'm charging per client. In terms of proposals, I only actually sent a total of 11 proposals during this process, which almost sounds ridiculous, but it's true. I can actually show you this. If I just show you my Volner account, you can go ahead and have a look. So in the last 4 weeks, I sent 12 proposals, 7, 5, and 8. So I sent 12 proposals and I got hired by 8 of them, which is pretty crazy. Because I have a really good strategy when it comes to sending proposals. And I actually have that just below here, which I'll get to in a second. So yeah, that went really well. Very cheap to acquire customers at this point. And I also have some sales pipelines as well. These are some deals that I have in the process. I have a lawyer client for 1,500, an expert referral business, which is going to be anywhere from 8 to 15,000, 1,500 for this jeans brand. and some repeat business as well, which I'm really hoping for, like some of these current clients that I have, because I'm doing a good job to have some repeat business. But overall, again, one of the highest fees that I had on one of these projects was 18%. But even that, I'm still getting around 3,000% on my money. And, I made a lot of money in crypto, and I was, big into crypto for a long time. I maybe hit this once or twice the whole time I was part of crypto. I never hit 100x. Anybody that says they did is probably lying. A 30x is pretty big. So to get a 30x on my money with Connects, I'm really happy. But just overall, the cost to profit ratio is really powerful, and Connects aren't expensive. They're just not. Like, Connects aren't expensive. There's high-paying clients on Upwork. There's tons. I just had a new student as well who just started, and now he has a $7,000, I think $7,500 deal in the pipeline from his profile, which I'm really excited for. But how did I actually make this happen? Like, how did I do this? First, I optimized my profile. So I really focused on my profile picture. I got a bunch of free testimonials. I made a really good portfolio section. I got free certifications on my profile. I made it look good. I just copied the top profiles in my space. And I've made a bunch of videos about this, and I've actually got ones that you can watch after on how you can do this too. It's all for free on YouTube at the end of the day. I also SEO ranked my profile as well. So I use keywords throughout my profile. Like I said, I got a bunch of free testimonials. That was part of the SEO process. And just in general, I tried to rank for really specific keywords in my skill and niche. I also sent very personalized proposals. Like, if you want to get similar results to this, where you send 10, 12 proposals and get 8 hires, you need to be sending extremely personalized messages. And that's how I've been able to get a very close ratio between how many people go on my profile and how many people send me an invitation. And that's really important. And ultimately, everybody's just sending ChatGPT. So if you use a lot of personalization, it will work. And there's actually a video right here, which I'll get to in a second, but I'll show you now, which is a full guide on how to do my personalized Loom strategy. I just give it all away for free. It's one of my best YouTube videos. You should go check it out. The fourth thing I did was just go above and beyond for the clients. Every single client that I got, I really look after, and I really go above and beyond. And I almost do like more than I'm supposed to do. And that's how you build good relationships. Just like with the YouTube channel, I try to go above and beyond on this YouTube channel. And, because of that, it's growing. And that's just how things work. When you provide value, you get value back. And then I also applied the strategies from my YouTube videos. And those ones are this personalized Loom video. And by the way, I'm going to put this a PDF in the description, but I would urge you to go check out this strategy for Looms. This works really well. And this works like really well for like all my students. Even the mentorship students that are paying me a bunch of money for me to guarantee their results and work with them one-on-one, I still show them this, and I just have a more refined version of this in my mentorship. Then on top of that, I have a full 7-day free course you can go check out. Again, all of this is completely free on YouTube. You don't have to pay me any money to do this. It's completely free on YouTube. Just go check it out. I'm not charging any money for this. It's completely free. I also have an Upwork SEO video you can go check out, and a complete beginner's guide on how I took a beginner from $0 to $3,000 per month in 7 days. And I also reviewed this guy's profile because everybody asked me to review my profile. If you go through my comments, I probably get about 5 or 6 people a day asking me to review their Upwork profiles. I actually roasted this guy's profile. And I swear on my life, if you just watch these 5 videos, that's more than enough for you to get far ahead. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm about to start another 21-day challenge. So if you're interested in seeing that, drop me a comment. Let me know what you'd love to see. And overall, Upwork is working. If you have limiting beliefs around Upwork and it's not working for you, then that's just in your head. And if you want me to help you one-on-one do this, so I can actually guarantee your results, so no matter what happens, you actually make this work, then click the link in the description. There's a type form for you to basically apply to work with me one-on-one, but I get about 100 applications a month. So I'm kind of picky and choosy with who I work with, but definitely go fill that out if you want some help. And just in general, I'll put the PDF here. Upwork's working. You can do this too. I believe in you, and I hope you have a great December. Peace.